Okay, so for our SAE, we're gonna focus on for our SAE, we're gonna focus on food. So our idea was to make pesto cavatappi. You might be familiar with that because it's
noodles.
Yeah, but we're gonna make it with. We're gonna. Oh, yeah, never mind.
So the whole idea with this project is to make food with farm fresh ingredients. Not actually fresh, I guess, but we want to go to grocery stores because it's really not in season. We're in the middle of like winter. Here, let's show you. It's winter time.
So we can't go to a farmer's
So we can't go to a farmer's market, but the whole idea here is to buy our food
that's from locally produced areas.
So the pesto cavatappi has grilled chicken, it has fresh spinach, hopefully. It's gonna have mushrooms sauteed, and then some roasted tomatoes.
some tomatoes.
And then
Okay, secondary challenge to this was to try to make as little waste as possible. So like in addition to trying to find healthy food that's from locally produced,
we're gonna make a healthy and
happy environment. We arrived! Yay. Okay, so we made it to the grocery store, and this is really awkward, but we have our list. Abby has it, and we're looking for chicken. Okay, actually, update, we need produce first, and that's where we are. We found the spinach. Lots of lettuce. That's not spinach.
There's spinach.
There's so many people here. Found it. The spinach was wilted. Now we're looking for tomatoes. It's really loud. This cart is so loud. I don't think you can hear me. Tomatoes. Oh, we found these tomatoes. Apparently they're local. Van. Next destination. Okay, but these are all like from the same exact brand. What the heck?
But they're pre-cut, and I don't like pre-cut. Wait, which one's the correct?
I don't like mushrooms, so you tell me. Those are from Ontario. That's not Wisconsin.
This is from Canada.
From where?
Canada.
Yeah, so are those. Well, I don't think we're gonna find anything better, so I guess we could change the goal to just fresh because, I mean, everything in our cart's organic, at least. No pesticides. That's good. I mean, farmers in Ontario are thriving with us buying their mushrooms. Okay, we're on to pasta.
The penne or swirly noodles.
So we got these noodles because all the other ones aren't like the kind of noodle we're looking for.
Some of them are imported from Italy.
So that's where we're from, so I think it counts for something. Oh, we have Italian noodles. So now we're on the way to get some Parmesan cheese. This is like exactly what we don't want. So we found our Parmesan. This one. Okay, we got our Parmesan. Hello! So we just got back from Woodman's and we bought a bunch of stuff.
Our original plan was to try and get all locally made products, but that didn't work so well because Woodman's and Cobb's does not provide the best locally grown products.
So we Yep. The only thing that's like actually from Wisconsin is this Parmesan cheese. So we're really proud of that. Well, Parmesan cheese is a good source of fat and protein, and the high calcium content can help with osteoporosis prevention and bone health. The other thing that's close enough, these are made in Illinois. It said local on the box, but they lied. So, Illinois is close enough.
Roma tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to helping your heart, a reduced risk of heart disease and cancer, and there's also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin K.
These are from Canada. Mushrooms are packed with a lot of nutritional value. They're very low in calories, they're good sources of fiber and protein, and they provide a lot of important nutrients like vitamin B, potassium, and vitamin D. All the food we got is organic.
So then we got this organic spinach from California. Spinach is our next ingredient. It has many vitamins and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, vitamins B6, B9, and E. It is an extremely nutrient-rich vegetable and contains high amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, and calcium.
Yay.
This is just Tyson grilled and ready chicken. It has all natural ingredients, no antibiotics or preservatives or added hormones or steroids. The first benefit to grilled chicken is that it builds muscle, meaning it has little fat and lots of protein. It also keeps your bones healthy. Chicken has phosphorus along with calcium that keeps your bones, again,
That helps prevent osteoporosis.
Chicken is also heart healthy because it has niacin that helps lower cholesterol. So if you pick lean pieces of meat and you don't add a lot of butter or salt, you can make a heart healthy meal. And then these are both imported from Italy.
The Italian stallions.
Cavatappi noodles and pesto
Sauce.
Pesto is a delicious sauce often made from basil, olive oil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and pine nuts. All these ingredients have health benefits and can be included in a healthy meal. The olive oil and basil and pesto are really healthy, whole, natural foods. Opting for whole wheat noodles ensures the most nutritional benefits, including bran and germs, vitamin E, major B vitamins, antioxidants, appetite squashing fiber, protein, and healthy fats.
So what we're doing right now is we're cutting the tomatoes in half. Now she's cutting the stem off because no one wants to eat that.
Our next step is to gently squeeze out the seeds and scoop them out with a spoon.
Lay the tomatoes with the cut side facing up on our baking sheet. We're just gonna sprinkle some table salt. Now we're putting them in the oven to roast, which we have preheated. Don't bring your phalanges.
Or my metacarpals.
Your what?
My metacarpals.
No, thank you. Okay, so now we gotta boil our noodles. Okay, so we're gonna boil these noodles for 6 to 8 minutes.
Okay, now I'm going to slice the mushrooms. I'm going to take the stem off. Oops.
She's going in.
I'm heating a large frying pan to hold the mushrooms that we have. And once it reaches a high heat, I'm gonna fill the bottom of the pan with olive oil.
She's right there.
To saute it. I'm gonna cover the bottom with oil. Now I'm gonna put in the mushrooms. And then I'm gonna stir them. Now I'm going to rinse the spinach. Okay, now I'm drying the spinach.
You're filming.
Now I'm going to cut the spinach into small. I'm Gordon Ramsay, so I know what I'm doing. Cut my finger off. Nice and That's not even any mushrooms. I told you we should add.
Oh, hey, sis.
The mushrooms are literally gone.
Good.
So, due to us not following a recipe, we didn't add enough because when you saute the mushrooms and the spinach, it gets smaller, which we were aware of, but not to this extent.
We made an
No
ounce of
stuff.
the toppings.
Do you want to add the chicken after? Right to the back? You can, since
Or spinach. These are our tomatoes after roasting them in the oven for 60 minutes, so an hour.
Look pretty good.
Now Abby's cutting up the chicken that we just cooked. And we're gonna add that to the mixture of spinach and mushroom.
It's very anticlimactic, so.
Adding the noodles back to the original bowl. Very slowly. Oh.
Those are roasted.
And we're just gonna cut them up.
In slices. Now we added the tomatoes to the mix.
That's too much noodles for that. How are we gonna do the pesto?
Now we're adding the noodles.
Is that enough?
Probably.
Now we're adding the pesto to the pasta. We're gonna only add a little bit at a time. Now we're adding the Parmesan cheese to the cup.
Hi, this is my mom, and she's gonna try the
Pesto
cavatappi.
Ooh, look at this, so pretty.
What are your thoughts?
Delicious, creamy, warm, and just amazing. Thank you.
No problem.
It's a very rich flavor. It all blends together. It's beautiful.
This is my dog Bella, and she would like to taste test my pesto cavatappi. What are your thoughts? Looks like you're enjoying it. Big nose lick means it's a yes. This is my dog Coco, and I think she would like to taste test my pesto cavatappi as well. Oh, they both love it so much. So as you know from earlier in the video, one of our goals is to make the least waste as possible. So the only thing we used waste for was transportation of produce, because they only provide the plastic bags to put your stuff in, and I'm not gonna put it in a cart without a bag, because that's kind of gross.
Yeah.
Because you don't know who touched that. So, but when we were checking out, we used a brown paper bag
That you can
everything
honestly
in.
reuse. It's like mint condition right now.
As it says,
It is
said-
recyclable because it's paper.